For Forex trading, we need to open an account. We can open our account with any broker. That's why we all choose a good broker, but many people face various problems while opening an account. Today we will share how you can easily open an account with different brokers. That is, today we will present everything so that you can open an account in any broker for yourself without taking the help from others. We will show you in a video what is required to open an account, so stay with us to know the details. After watching this video, you can open an account for yourself in any broker. I will present today's video, and I am an official member of FOREX BD. For trading first, we have to open an account real or demo. In that case, it is better to open the account and verify it. Then you will get the benefits of these two types of accounts. That's why you have to open an account first. To open an account, you will need to provide some personal information. You will be asked to provide your details such as your name, residential address, and email, also phone number. No need to worry, these are very simple. You will get this information in your NID card. But you should keep a valid email, that means email whose password you always have with you, because email is needed at different times. If you forget your account password, you can recover it via email, so you should keep an email in advance and also keep the password of that email so that there is no problem if you change the mobile phone. You can easily provide all these information in the first step. Next comes the trading experience. Forex brokers often want to confirm your experience. In this case, you will usually have to answer some questions based on your experience. This is usually a fairly simple process. There are no obstacles here. That is, you don't have to fill in the hunt percentage accurately. You should first read the questions carefully, and then select the answer that you like best. Here you don't have to write any answer. Select from many options. Moreover, if you have a problem somewhere, don't worry. We have given a video about the system of opening an account in every broker. Write the name of your preferred broker in the comment box, and you will be given a link to the video of opening an account with that broker. Moreover, if you still have problems, there is no reason to worry. You can contact us on WhatsApp. Our team will create an account for you completely free. Then comes the verification. After you submit the personal details and give the trading-related details, you need to submit the documents for verification. A maximum of 2 documents are required to verify the account. The first is ID card or driving license or passport, and the second one is a copy of bank statement or electricity bill. Here you will need 2 documents in TICMIL and ICM. But nowadays, many brokers are now giving verification only with NID card. Submit the documents as per the requirements. But keep one thing in mind: if you open an account with a broker where you have to submit a bank statement, you must follow the bank statement while writing the address. And where the bank statement is not required, fill the information by following the NID card. Then submit the document and wait for verification. Now there is a deposit. Make a deposit after verification. Now you have to select your preferred payment method. Each broker has numerous payment system is added. You can use whatever you like out of it, but the easiest and risk-free option is local deposit. However, not all brokers offer this facility. Many brokers offer this facility, so you should take advantage of it. This way, you don't have to incur any extra cost and you don't have to open a payment gateway separately. So always try to take all the benefits. If you are skilled, then you can do real trading immediately after making a deposit, and if you are not skilled, then refrain from deposit and start demo after verifying. First watch videos on different strategies, and then apply those strategies. No problem even if you don't verify the demo account. But it's better if you do it. You're getting a real account at the same time. It is best to practice without thinking so much. There is no substitute for practice. The more you practice, the more you learn. However, today's video is about how to easily create an account with different brokers. We have discussed everything. I hope you understand. The rules are the same in almost all brokers. You have to give your information and submit documents. Before ending the video, I would like to make a request to those who are new to this channel or still don't subscribe to our channel. Please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update.
We will make a request to you wherever you create an account, broker house or payment gateway. You must use the FOREX BD link. This will keep your account safe at all times. You will be able to participate in any type of contest. You will have the opportunity to trade in 0 pips spread. So be sure to account under the link given below. And if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button because your likes and comments give us confidence to do something better. And if you have any suggestions, you can leave a comment so that FOREX BD can meet your needs all the time.